Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad say we don't join again inside number 2 arraignment for number 4 day for the week. We then have for number 22 day for inside number 3 moon 2018. Country people them. Chapter for today we go talk palaver for this school where it happened now for side where they call them say Yawende, that government primary school where plenty picking them. They be here bad yesterday. Now for Sika waiting. For Sika say they be the make drama where plenty people they fall for down. So for inside Tori, we go talk chapter for this strike where pass for Siphon Jombe where people they cry. Say 9 moon they never get salary. Inside the same Tori, Nkunkuma he don't already land for that side where they call him say he home. Now Oga President says for he home people them he can talk come good from Nkunkuma as we he come up for aeroplane. All this story they so plus one way newspaper them to the top. We will bring up for now for this afternoon. Big part of it tell we say waiting. Even if water is hot as we he like for hot, Sabi say he no go ever fit for burn house. I say even if water is hot na how, he no fit ever burn house. Make una no shake. Small. Very good again, country. Mommy them papa the way they do she done for their own small corner for layer waiting the pass. We say good afternoon. Even uncle them, auntie them, afternoon. Picking them, afternoon. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with this palaver way it happen for place where they call them say Ekudu. Yes. Now for inside Yawende we go start to read this afternoon con the people them. Now mommy then that for one of the picking them way a slave straight for Sika the confusion. Magu way a pass for inside government primary school for Ekudu. Small boy so now that young boy for 11 years wey dey prepare say for write exam for Sika confusion for inside their school yesterday. Plenty of their combi them they die. Now for inside there so yeah na big man that big woman time wetin be the past big woman say no be there. Yes, big woman he no be there. He say they only calling her for tingly before he says he can learn one time as well learn for day a city will happen. Now for inside the class waiting the past now for inside the class they say they make some drama and all picking they get for pay 100 for enter for inside. So one day they no get they be the look now for hold them. You understand? People the way they no get they be the look na inside hole. This bikini tell we say na 100. Now so too for that side, get man to tell we say for true. Now drama wey pikin they be the look away they pay 100. You know see class? Now the class is where that thing happen. Now for here, as well so one man come out say one can whip all pikin them. Confusion. Waka climb on top people them, on top people them. Jam down people them to the land for day. Tori wey enter for we ear even as so they never finish make confirm for inside this story in the proper they dey try for tell we say wetin they dey tell we say 4 pikin dem die other one they say 10 side wey na English school for the same school mami dem dey hear the thing all man a run can carry na a pikin. Yes, all man a run can carry a pikin. A talk say they no fish don them. They no fish don the city where they pass. So as so the talk so someone the day where they be get wound they don't carry them go for hospital. Yes, one day where they get wound they carry them go for hospital. Then the other one investigate in the past now so for inside that Tori as so the talk for now. We go take una go for place where they call them saying Njombe country people them. Njombe na place where they do plenty thing them. Work people them for company. I say work people them for place where they look at small picking banana and small picking planty. Then they even plant their own. They don't deny. Say work in no day. Now for Njombe side. I say now for Njombe con the people them. That work people they don't deny say lie to lie. They no go do no work. 9 months salary. If minister for Palava technological waiting development and scientific research, he no pay them money. They no go do no work. You understand? They deny say they no go do no work. So the minister hear them. Now for Sika why that way they deny. They talk say they know the work at all. They know the work. 9 moon they don't should don't weigh 1 franc. It no enter for inside their skin. I say 1 franc. It no enter for inside their skin. So all the one they so it make the work people them. inside that company for banana and plantain. They talk say they know the work. Gendarme people they say they can't look wetin wey e dey pass for inside. Yes, they can't look so that make them say they sabi say nothing wey pass, nothing wey no pass. Na place where they dey look the banana and plantain small one dem. You understand? Now inside it just dey like a small, it just dey like a rat where they do small thing, then do small thing. So now so e pass. Make we hear some of these work people they tell we wetin wey make and they come up for road.
Down because we don't work 9 months, they know the pay we. Director don't promise. Any day we not wait, he go find tomorrow. We don't wait, we not get no answer. We don't decide so we go shit down for down till day where he go pay that 9 months. If big man wait there for up when I pay say a minister for research, if he do something, made you wait if he do an answer for say we wake up for down. From the fall so now go, you don't go, you not go wake up if money no day. Even nature don't vex for them suite way no day. You don't work for center, all stick the day for down. It show say no nothing, no the worker. Go, you don't turn poto. Me, I don't work from how much year do I do for you. Now me that go for 1 month, I will go for retreat. No money, no day. I will do how? Tell me say I go work so all my money I don't work. I take that CMPS, take that Kaba way. I don't know how I will do. I want to say be away there for you. He too it must hell away. It's time to pay say it send some money for take Cameroon, or we will not die. But now the beg say make for when the game away for talk for beer, the beg beer for we name say may send me some more money tell hell we pay for down.
So country people them now so that people then talk for inside chapter for Palava strike from Njombe side. We the only wait for here with minister for Palava Scientific Research and Palava Technological Development, Madam Magdalene Twente. He gave for talk for this chapter where it dey so people they strike for seekers in 9 months. They never touch 1 money for their hand. We go talk another thing, so for inside loom, country people them. We don't ever the talk Palava school picking and Palava the kind school we picking them. They get for go country people them. Inside this chapter, as well as sabi technical school they ever talk say na school for dull people them na lie. Nothing then that way school picking they go technical school they sabi for do, and that same thing if you give the work after where they come out school. So no school picking e no dull. First time mommy he go talk say the picking e no pass for list A, they go send am for technical school na dull picking e no pass common entrance, send am for technical school. But today technical school na place where if you are picking go there put a head for book fine. Now the kind thing that way they make up. Now the thing that way they show for population. And so they come up for can see walk way they so they do am with their hand. And that's why I don't talk. Palava for technical school and palava for picking them. No be na door picking them now they go technical school. Now they picking them now so where if they get sent put their head fine for book. Tomorrow they go carry Cameroon go for before. And so in Kunkuma talk. 2035, he want and say make Cameroon he go now only for before. No na chapter say Cameroon dey for back. So now the thing that way that picking they do with their own hand, na handwork where they picking they do na thing that way Papa God he bless them for inside technical school. When we talk with his son teacher then too for that side, the doc for Jacques Nomono a microphone.
Now you don't say long crayon no fine no. Now because don't make small maçonnerie, make small menuiserie so small mécanique. And some technique fine. Because people don't get service on cap so. Now people will not work. You work so. If you make all your life with that work, I think say they help people plenty. Government must make some money in turn for inside Cameroon. Now they take money so go give them for people who they not there for Cameroon. After they will talk say economy not the worker. Because money to come out, they must take the picking the way they so, which is them big brother where they don't get big engineers so. Then give them don't work. Then work. That money go talk for inside Cameroon. All the people that go profit out with that money and our economy go up.
Technical school, if you help me for really gain our future, Osika say, picking them way we send them for technical school. We see things where picking the feed one. We go for woodwork. We see things where they don't fix them, share them, table them, all things. We go for clothing industry, see proper fine clothes them where they sew them. All department for industry they dey for here so you see fan thing where they do. It shows say technique na fan thing. And so they encourage all parents them say make they send their picking them for technical school for say make Cameroonian they turn being a proper fan technician them. so that we no go need for come out go outside go find worker them to bring them inside country to come do some work them. We say will be able to do our own personal work. If we train this picking them and tomorrow they no work, like we go down loss, it will be na losses for we. So we the beg say maybe papa and government may they try to do see how they fit do for say maybe what small picking the way we train them, so tomorrow they come out they be better people where them too they go sit in where they fit do may they see their own play where they fit feed them.
Now people then that teacher them where they the local picking the way they send them for inside technical school, parent and teacher where they talk for Jakinomolum for that side so for loom as we be the big day for talk come good for stranger people them for site for technical people them. Now so we go enter for chapter for water. Sabi say this today so na big day for water, but how people them for Cameroon they get that water where they talk say make people they drink water in no day at all. First place where we go learn for chapter for water for this afternoon. Now quarter where they call them say 1990 for that side so for loom chantier where the population even as way other people they glad say today na big day for water. People them for 1990 if I tell na say they don't shit down for plenty year where they never drink correct clean water where it come up for inside pump, una go deny me. Now only for who side they carry that water. See all that containers so they the way I say made rain a come out. Then after they carry water put them for inside or they come for the hole. When place it don't dark for 11 o'clock now for here they can't carry water don't come up for up. They carry water for them, put them for inside the container or for any side. Even one way they put them for corner pump you know the Greek come out. But they talk say today na big day for palava for water. But country people them for country. So now they never get water for drink on the people them. For that side so now for 1990 quarter for 1990 for loom chantier we would show now. So water you know they but they glad big day for water today where some people them plenty years they don't pass where they never see even one eye correct water so for drink. Now their own story that for that side for 1990 yes now story that for 1990 make we take una go for another story so country people so for inside chapter for water we be talking yesterday now for side for Mutengene yes for Mutengene side they for inside different quarter country people them these people then their own they get water safe but the problem I say this time it they for go find side where that water day you must to climb on top here now suffer that and normal if you the one drink water no get for suffer so before you drink water. You see now he that they decline that they go down again for the he. Before now they struggle reach for side. See he. Now he that when they climb for up, come up for different far away places. They climb he, go down, find place where they carry water. It then a normal thing for all picking them. Whether they go school or they know they go school, gallon must be for their hand. They go find side where they go carry water. Now water that sit truck. Now only gallon water there for outside. Then day where you get luck where you come where pump it dry. You carry water for peace, you go you back. But they will pump it plenty. Forget. You must to turn up for line. So all the one they so now we ask them whether for true for inside we country will they enjoy water. They say today na big day for water. Will they enjoy water? We know they enjoy. We know they enjoy water at all. If water na really true when I think where they talk so we get for enjoy. We no get for suffer before we drink water. We no get for suffer you go carry water there before you drink and then sometimes no they even see the water safe. The one that own say better say pump in the come out. Other people their own pump you know they come out. May they tell you some more again they suffer.
Yes, until the carry and avoid every day na so the only carry so no know you can't go ever can be fine for say no this chair because normally we need to get water for our neighborhood so the only thing I be every day with the only stress guy this year we only put your truck climb the me one I suffer climb the so guy we check say me over government try look for week for the side at least me picking all get shock with on slides and slide for say they go down so some of them seven they even live now for here don't carry some of them go cancer hospital so we don't know which for say at least if we arrange if they yourself we move we try to be fine. With the 5 years very badly population from there sometimes the cover here say about 100 people they just start only fight argument nearly one injury I save them.
He would come down like the last only blister then see how we get blister then because of this them.
Yes, now picking that way the tell say for seeker plenty water suffer for climbing go down for he. blister dey for a hand, all corner na so boy don comot na suffer that, but they say today na big day for water. But even for the wala here, so palava for water day, we dey enjoy the water. Question wey we dey ask am, even as we no dey drink water, we no get water. Nkunkuma dey outside, make we see Nkunkuma e don land for him or their country today, you understand? Nkunkuma e people Nkunkuma e don land for him or country. As so the talk so for here now, so make we take on our talk chapter from Nkunkuma sesep where he don't land so for that side for him. Yes, now Nkunkuma that and Shantu now today so they land for him and he go with the oil lamboy them. Now Oga Zamping when now Oga president sesep for that side for him now he talk for Nkunkuma say come good for him country. Sabi say na number 5 time when Nkunkuma the land for day, and all the time when Nkunkuma don't go for him. Na time we vote the camp for country. So we dey ask na question, why Nkunkuma dey ever go for him whole country na time we vote the camp? He get na a small griba for that side or na how? Na the big question that will never fit for answer that. But sabi say the work away Nkunkuma dey make na Shantu. Na for say make this bobo way dey with Cameroon and him make it continue for go na only for before. Sabi say if Cameroon and him they know for be bobo, plenty peanut thing they know for the happen. Cameroon, you don't enjoy for him in hand. Now so to him to he enjoy small for Cameroon in hand. Now why that way they see him for inside country here? He make a pop off. He fry pop off for road. Then now they thousand and him they finish all we coin them for inside town. So all that one they so now so bobo where they happen with him and we own country. So it be then a long line where Nkunkuma be get for salute. Nkunkuma salute so te hand tire. He salute for this side, he don't go for this side. Salute, oh boy. Nkunkuma salute, so only the people them, plenty people them. Then last, he go meet Oga president, say for him, now that in a chap inside their own house. Shantu, very good. Salute ya come to, wala, bow down. I like Shantu for sika say any man with the salute, whether na small pikin, he bow down. You understand? Whether na big or na small, he ever bow down. That one na correct African culture. On a take photo. You see all them black suit, black tie. You see all them they get the same height. It's just like saying na come with them. You see them are the same height people they know. After they enter, say me they go talk binet. Sabi say waka from Nkunkuma for inside in her country. As soon as they see and so it go be today. It go be for Thursday, Friday. Then it finish for which day? For Saturday. So now the inside in her their own unity palaces. You understand? Now he hold their own unity policies, you know, over get over confusion for inside. So Nkunkuma don't land for him now. So Binet, he must to start. For day 2, Nkunkuma begin for salute. Nkunkuma salute in Ashantu. After they finish salute for airport, so for salute. Nkunkuma a hand tire today. A hand tire where. So waka go finish for Saturday. And after that waka now we sabi the kind fine thing when Nkunkuma don't bring am for we for him land. We sabi say palava for do. It must ever be for inside. Him they ever give you money. Him get plenty money so they no sabi say will keep and so we help them for keep their money for inside Cameroon. You understand? Make we enter now so for different chapter for Douala here con people them. This meeting where they call and say Obangame. Yes. This one it concern America people. And America Cameroon people they bring this sense. Say maybe the whole meeting will country the way they did for God for Guinea. So that they go to look out that water them. So that the bad boy the way they call them say pirate. They don't go to overworry people then. So all time they ever she done for check how this Obangame palava they happen. So this time it did for inside Douala here. Now way American Cameroon say marine man he come. It concern only people the way they work for inside water for God for Guinea. All country them where they be inside this Obangame chapter, they dey for inside Douala here for check and see as way thing they go pass. So they start yesterday, they go finish now for number 29 day for inside this moon. Yes, it concern a chapter for water. Yes, 25 day for this moon. Vote for get new senator, it go happen. And for that side for Bamenda, campaign don't start true. I say waiting, campaign it don't start. Now CPDM peoples, where them they did for before, or now UNDP peoples, now SDA peoples, all them they did for outside. They did try for check their sense. How will they go use them for talk, sweet talk for people that hear them so that they feel vote them like senator them. UNDP they dey for their own side, then too they talk their own talk. They say now road wey they wan give am. So you see another their own lizard. You see am na their own lizard way all dem so. Now people then that they don't put their name for list for senator them for inside the UNDP for that also for Bamenda. So for inside Bamenda, UNDP CP, SZ, all them they go join head. So who go win which place? Now the big question that. But the only thing I say make population say he open the ear here fine before they go vote. Make the council they open their ear here fine before they go vote. All man go can't talk it through now, so but last when they talk say they go now, so now they go we go fix road, we go do the one, we go bring on water, we go do the one. Even cow na get am, we will bring am make una chop cow settle na tire. But when vote you don't finish pass, ask that cow again, you will see the cow for outside. So now so na time for talk sweet talk wey they call am say propaganda. Now so na time for talk sweet talk. You wey you follow sweet talk, you fall for down, blame yourself. When last thing they no change, na you sabi. So we go talk with two honorable them. Yes, two honorable the two people that they dey for list. We get Oga Tumenta wey go talk, and even big man for CPDN list, Ma Elizabeth Regina Mundi. But first make we hear wait Tumenta Eric when a big man for UNDP their own senator list talk.
I bring the message of hope. I tell my people simple thing. See the thing would lack am for here in a domain. Wait to be domain. Domain na road, farm to market road. Domain na healthcare. Domain na small scholarship for education. People they are hardworking people. All they need na domain. Once they get
we go surely turn back for inside that chapter. Make we enter from Konsamba side. Country people then make we take una go from Konsamba. We'll turn back for that interview them. Na feed that from Konsamba side. Normal na feed this way Egle from Konsamba be the would do is more training planking damba for them. But now so for the past 2 months, fee it don't lock, and now so even player themselves for Egle for Konsamba. They know the fee for enter for inside the fee. No be na say they work for inside the country people. Now say they talk say Oga delegate for Palava for sport for that side so from Konsamba I don't pull up for the fee. So now so player them and coach for Egle when they want can train. On a side they pass see coach bender voila pass on that enter for inside fee. Now the same thing we player then to the do. I say now the same thing all player they come they pass now for under. Delegate for sport they say don't lock fee. You know what open now whether now waiting they happen or waiting no they happen. All man now underground all man don't turn on ground beef. Now so they pass enter. They say they don't lock fee and a few way Egle they ever nang them for day. No man no sabi wait to the pass. 2 months now so player them for Egle for Konsamba they no get way for enter for inside. That one na chapter 1 for inside that story. Yes, chapter 1 for that story make we enter inside the fee. The fee says they don't put a better fee. May una enter. Make people they see as way the fee day. Enter no quick bend down quick pass. You too pass quick. Voila. Mo see fee. Fee no na arena see am. Una see fee. Una see am. The fee say no fair day. Then the log gate say me put the no enter. Una see fee. Now the fee that. No nothing no day. No chair no day. No place for she don't know the day. But they did not put and say me the no enter inside. So now the either will take here for that side so for Egle Konsamba their fee. Me will hear coach talk.
Sport. So I don't look. You don't have to say I read demand. I don't read demand the key na 2 weeks. We never give me answer. I so don't know before we therefore pass for don't do. From 2 months just know the pass now for don't do before we go to fancy now. Now start for egg and them did not say egg. Not train for this. But time we veteran the camp with the hobber. Because them the keys watching for chop. Them the come any day them the train for two days for a week. The 1 week them they come with the hobber and they enter. But for a week don't lock up. I don't give the Monday, nobody give me a.
Yes, now coach that one he make our finish story for this afternoon. Country people then make we enter for some 2-3 newspaper then before we come out. The guidance post we dey for outside for this morning time. Country people then waiting there for the strong number for inside the guidance post. They detail we say 4 picking them die for site for Yawende after some confusion wey happen for some school. The guidance post to talk palava meeting for make peace wey Ekema Patrick like Oga Patapata for CPDM it happen but Senator Mbelamuki Charles no be there for the meeting. Now so to the tell we Agbobala, Akeremuna, Benmuna, Kawala and other people them they be one dongamen for look inside this palaver for Norwest and Southwest waiting them they despoil all day. Other to read the day where the guidance post a carrier. Make we enter for the post weekend that we day for outside this morning. The post weekend strong number for on top day. It tell we say sick for senator them. It don't enter for all corner as we number 25 day for inside this moon. It come. Sabi say all people them they try for make their last minute campaign and last minute prepare for inside this chapter. So for inside the post weekend you feel read other small to read them where it consign this palaver for Amber Boy them and other to read them with the post weekend a carrier. Last story we will go look for inside na Nouvelle Expression where it dey for outside today. Nouvelle Expression it tell with this palaver as vote palaver for senator sabi say oga Koncho Komeni e dey now so na for inside die or e get for be alive na after we make accident so for Sikase be get for go make campaign for under CPDM for palaver senator them. Nouvelle Expression too e get other to read them where it talk as we new people them they don't enter for Kondengi. Small to read them they dey for day now for it and for sabi wait way it dey happen for inside country. Now so we see country for this afternoon. Country people them other to read they go follow for Equinox Story House. Make una hold am tight for outside it.